God. Hey YouTube, it's Melanie. This is the IKEA Solvågel. It's a pencil case and they sell it in their children's section. But we can use it to store crochet hooks, knitting needles, all those types of things. It's a little bit bland though, so I want to decorate it. And I was thinking I could embroider onto this because it's a white canvas and I think it would look really beautiful and very nice. The only thing is I don't really have the time for that. Today I want to do something that's just a little bit faster. So we're going to use acrylic paint pens and draw all over this pencil case. So first up, we're going to unwrap this. Oh God. This is the inside of the case. All these different sized elastic bands with some very small ones here. We're going to cut this off first. The acrylic markers that I'm going to be using are these acrylic markers from Ohuhu. I've already used them to decorate this pumpkin, for example. As you can see, the paint really sticks onto it nicely. Now, obviously a pumpkin is different to canvas, so I'm expecting that the paint will bleed through the canvas like a little bit. We're just gonna have to find out how it goes. These are the colors, and then these are the other colors. I'm just gonna sketch some stuff that I think I might want to draw on the Solvågel. I don't know why, I just woke up this morning and I thought the word resist. I also really want to make it super colorful and bright with lots and lots of color. And I love rainbows, so it's gonna, what does a rainbow look like? These are things that are, okay, yes, I think I have it. What does a rainbow look like? I'm just gonna start here. Think. Oh, on the table. Oh no! Oh, just don't look at the table. And red. Yeah, that makes sense, right? It's Roy G. Biv. Okay. And then maybe there's like a sun happening here. So we could have like a little sunshine. And knowing me, I'll probably change this very heavily when I'm actually working. I just want to have like some outline. I'm really liking these, like one eye big and then one eye a little bit smaller and then a very small mouth. What else can we add here? So we have a rainbow, sunshine. Definitely want some flowers. But flowers are not my best. I'm just not very good at drawing flowers. So I'll just start with maybe the stem and then I'll just, what else can we draw? Maybe if we're thinking about using this as a knitting case or a crochet case, I'm going to draw a ball of yarn and maybe some needles, a small pair of scissors, wonky scissors, maybe like a skein of yarn. Ooh. I haven't drawn a skein of yarn in a long time, as you can see, but yeah, something like that. This is already too much small detail. I think I'm pretty sure this won't be so petite on the actual object. Because canvas, I think the paint in the canvas fabric is just going to spread out a little bit. And we can always do some sparkles. I think this will be really nice. Now you could sketch this with pencil. I might just sketch the letters with pencil. I just don't trust myself. So this is it. It is a little bit fiddly because of the thingamajigs underneath. This is my inspiration. I think we should just start, maybe? I think the best approach is to start with lighter colors and then work my way to darker bits. I'm a little bit scared. Now you can see it does kind of run on the edges, but it's not too bad. It doesn't seem to be poking through the other side very much. So that's also good. I'm really happy with where we are right now. I'm just going to add the sunshine. I guess it's time to add a flower. I'm going to add some twirlies. I think I need a little bit more green. I'm going to use this green color to do that. And then in a different color blue, I'm going to add some popped bubbles. So they're going to be exploding. I don't know what this is, but exploding bubbles, popping bubbles. I want to add some bright yellow stars as well, so a little bit of sparkle. I'm going to use the brush tip for this because it's a little bit thinner. I'm hoping that's gonna look better. I do want to add a face for the sun, but I'll do that a little bit later because I'm a bit worried about smudging the black. But I do want to outline these letters. I still feel it's missing something, and I'm just thinking, I think I want to add a little bit more red. And what is the most perfect thing that you can draw with red? It's little hearts. So I'm going to add some little hearts. Just do the face of the sun. And I have two options. I have a very dark grey and a black. And I'm thinking that black is going to not look good. But maybe the grey will make it look muddled. So I am going to go for the black. Sorry about that. Think. Okay, so I'm going to do my one big eye, one small eye. Oh, that one eye is not looking good. I might have to cover that up when it's dried with a bit more yellow. It does not look good. I'm just going to add a dot of white. Little shine. And the thing I don't really like is the flower. I feel like I need to do something with this flower. I think I'm making this worse because it's making the area more wet, which is sort of spreading the black paint. So I'm just going to let this dry and then try and cover it up a bit more, which actually might make it more worse, but I think it's you know, we'll try. We'll see what happens. Just want some more purpley bits, I feel. So I'm just going to add some squiggles. I'm just trying to go and fix the sunshine. So I grabbed my hairdryer. I'm just going to blow dry this and see if I can get it dry and then cover it with the yellow. I'm hoping that that kind of stops the sort of spreading out a bit. Okay. Feel like this is pretty dry. It's very warm. I think it was all fine until I decided to put black on yellow. So I would say learn from my mistakes and don't do that. I think in real life the sun looks better than it does on camera. So this has like absorbed a lot of paint, so it is a bit more stiff than any of the other parts, but that's just the insane amount of yellow paint I've added to try and cover up the black splotches. Do I dare? We'll see what happens. I like this. I'm going to leave it like this. I'm just going to add some of my tools. This looks great because I didn't really have a spot for these crochet hooks, so I can finally open this. Whoop. And I can start filling this. These are definitely my most used DPNs. This one's really big, so it could go here. It's finished. This is how it turned out. I'm so happy with it. It's so bright and cheerful, and I think it looks so much better than it did. And now I have a place for crochet hooks, my most used DPNs, and I can just roll it up. And it's super easy to store and bring with you. I'm very happy with this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!
That's